Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Christina. If you're new on this space, I create content on social media management, passive income, and how to make money online in 2024 and beyond. Now, in today's video, we are going to be seeing how you can create a Payoneer account so you can easily withdraw cash. From my previous videos that I've mentioned, I mentioned how to make money using different websites and platforms. If you've not watched it, I'll put it up on the screen so you can click and watch. So when it comes to withdrawal, a lot of people are kind of confused because they don't know how to go about it. So this video will be explaining to you how you can withdraw your cash using Payoneer. So if this interests you, please subscribe to this video, turn on your notification so you're notified every single time I drop a new video, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is to go into a browser and type in Payoneer. It's going to bring you to this interface where you can click on open account. Once you click on open account, it's going to tell you to choose the account you type or the kind of business you're doing. There's for online seller, freelancer, affiliate marketer. I'm going to click on the freelancer, and then it's going to bring you to this place. I'll click on the get paid globally, and then it's going to bring you to register. So once I click on the register, it will take me directly to an interface where I can fill in my information. So one thing you need to make sure here is to click on no, my business isn't registered, especially when your business is not registered. But when your business is registered, you can click on yes, I own or represent a registered business. So now I'm going to proceed to fill in my name and my email address and date of birth. Bear in mind, I already have a Payoneer account before, so this is me just trying to illustrate to you, my loves, how you can easily open a Payoneer account. So now I rejected my previous email that I typed in because it was an email I used before, so I changed it to a new email, and it then brought me to this place where I can fill in my mobile number, and then they would send a verification code to that number. So if you're not from Nigeria, you can change that +234 to any other code for your country. So now that I've typed in my phone number, I'll await the verification code they will send directly to my phone number. So now I am waiting, and when the code gets to me, I'm just going to copy and paste the code. You can see that the code can, get expired within 30 seconds. So the code has just entered, as you can see, copy Payoneer verification code. I'm going to paste the verification code in the column, and then we can proceed from there. So now that I've pasted the code into this column, I'm going to proceed to click on next. So when I click on next, so I skipped information when I was typing it in, which is the country and my street number. So I'm going to type in Nigeria and my street address. Then I can click on next. Without you filling this information, you will not be able to click on next. So now that I've clicked on next, I'm going to create a password from my account, and then I will re-enter the password. In case if there's a mistake, it's going to inform you when you've made a mistake in your code. I'm going to type in the code once again and just wait for the security question. Now, this security question is very, very important because this is something that they can ask you randomly. What was the name of your first pet? That is a question that only you can know the answer to. And what is the name of your hospital, your oldest child? Things like that, things that are very, very sensitive, so that only you can answer. So now you're going to type in the security answer. I picked in what street was the first address you lived in. So I'm going to type in the answer. So anytime maybe I misplace my password or things like that, they would ask me this question, which only me obviously can know the answer. So I'm going to type in the answer to that question. Then my issuing country is Nigeria, so I'm going to pick an ID tab. There's already a place for national ID card. If you also have passports and your international passport as well, your driver's license, you can use that. As you can see, there's national ID card, driving license, and passport. But now I'm going to use the national ID card. I'm going to type in my ID number from the national ID card, and once I type this information in, I'm going to then proceed to click on next. So I'm typing out the information now. So once I type it in, I'll click on next and it's loading now. So it has taken me to this place to show that okay, I've put in all the information. So it's asking me my bank country, Nigeria, the kind of bank I'm using. I'm going to select Zenith Bank. So Zenith Bank is the bank I'm using. So always ensure that the name on your bank is going to tally with the name on your Payoneer. It's very important that you do that. If you don't do that, everything you're doing is kind of void. So I'm going to type in the account name for that my Zenith Bank, and then I'm going to type in the account number. So once I've typed in the account number, I'm going to click on I agree to the terms and condition, I agree to the pricing and fees, and then I'm going to click on submit. So now they're telling you that your application has been completed. You're going to wait for like a review of your account. So I'm going to just go directly to my email to know if they've sent me any email of that. So I've seen update about your application to Pioneer. So I'm just going to click on one of these email messages they sent me. Bear in mind that this image took about 24 hours. So now they have clicked on it, they are telling me that, oh, thank you for your recent, but they're saying that I already have an account. So if they misplaced my account, this information was for me to kind of answer questions so that they can grant me access to my previous account. But if you do not have an account like me, because I already have an account, so they noticed that the information is kind of similar, so there was no need to like create a fresh account. So this is like telling me that I should take a short survey. In this short survey, they are going to ask me my security question. If they eventually decide to take the survey, they're going to ask me my security question, and then I will be asked to provide it. So you can see that here it's saying you already have a Payoneer account, you can create another one. Instead, you can create additional account numbers, but you can't create like a fresh Payoneer account from the scratch. That is absolutely impossible. They are going to notice in their website, they're going to notice every single thing. So that shows that they are quite serious about privacy. They are quite serious about security. Now, if you do not have a previous account, this is the email they will send to you. We are reviewing your Payoneer account and we are going to contact you once it's ready. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did and you absolutely love this content and want to see more of content like this from me, I would suggest that you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on content like this when I upload. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope this was informative. I hope that you found this helpful, and until next time, I love you guys. Bye bye.